Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, it's huge. It's huge.
That's what she said.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. What is this for? I don't know what that's for. Wow, man. If you haven't figured it out yet, this is my new boat. 18 by 60 Magnum. Wowee, man. I think I got enough room now. Oh my god. What are these? It's huge. It's huge.
Can't hear you.
It's huge.
That's what she said.
Won't draft a lot of water. You'll be able to stand
Oh yeah, you can do
on. If you
handstands.
balance, you can stand on that gun on. You'd never lift that side off the water.
That's why I was tired of my little boat. I was so wobbly. It ain't even safe. It's so wobbly. That boat I got now. It's gonna wind up.
You won't have that problem with this, I guarantee you.
I control the harbor with this.
Yeah, if the waves aren't bad, you could easily do it.
Yes. I freaking love it.
The only problem is you're gonna, if you get waves at all, you'll get wet
Yeah.
because they'll break right over the front of this.
If they're breaking over in front of that, I'm heading to the boat ramp.
Well, that's the beauty of a V. It cuts that wave.
Well, I've been up there when it's glass. No waves at all.
Well, I have too. I've also been out there when
I've seen 20-foot waves though. That one time you took me up there.
I've seen guys when there was 6-footers. I've seen guys out there canoes.
Canoe.
Yeah,
I hope they had a bilge pump.
freaking idiots, man. They were having a ball.
It's Christmas time. Uncle Kenny's brought us gifts. This is for a completely other project. If you guys been paying attention, my brother has an automotive YouTube channel, and this is going to be one of our future builds. I didn't think that was attached from your picture.
Yeah, neither, but it is.
This is pretty cool. I'm going to be building a tea bucket. But look at this boat. Oh my god. Oh my, yes, 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 yes. Yes, yes. Generation 3 Magnum. I don't know what this is for. Wowee, man. Wowee. Hi, pup. I ain't seen you in a minute. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. This is freaking awesome, man.
You put this on aluminum frame, and then you turn around and you can just pick it up.
My little steering
You don't
console.
have to steer.
I'm going to take
Yeah, this will be
all the good stuff from my current boat and put it on here. I'll be running my little 30 horse Johnson till I can upgrade the motor on here. Look at this. I gotta get in here. Let me get in there. sandblasting this trailer and painting it. Oh, wow, man.
That thing's huge.
I friggin' love it.
That's right. What's that? Live well?
I don't know. What's this thing hanging off the back? Is that for a 9.9?
Yeah, that's for a kicker motor.
That's what I thought.
This. That way it's up out of the water.
Yeah,
And then when you want to use it.
yeah.
This is your.
Wow.
Those are nice.
What a... Man, this thing is huge. Oh, wow.
This is your life jacket storage.
PFDs and decoys and shotgun shells. Jackpot. Oh, nice neoprene gloves. Replacement winch strap. Dang. Full of goodies. This will go. This has got to get out of here. Then we need to have Elmer build me a live well over here on this side.
You need to put a. I'd put the live wire right there.
I'm gonna put my
That way you can go all the way around both of those.
I'm gonna put my steering console from my old boat in here.
Oh, you're gonna have a remote steering.
I'm gonna yeah, I'm gonna take all the good stuff off my current boat. I'll be running a 30 horse Johnson for a while. till I can afford a nice
I got a
4-stroke
75 horse
jet.
outboard I can sell you for this.
You got a what?
75 horse remote steer.
Oh yeah?
Holy shit.
I have to save my money up.
7 person.
Man, I was excited I'd be able to get both bird dogs in here. And my brother and his wife. I think we can add more people. Dogs don't ever have to sit home anymore when daddy's out on the water. Oh my goodness. Look at the room. All this room for activities. I need to replace the plywood. It's about to bust on me now. Oh my God. I love it. I'm putting my
You need to put a safety chain on the bow of this.
my pedestals right there so I can have my bass boat seats in here. Sandblast this trailer, paint it.
Oh, you can try out my new sandblaster.
Yeah. Well, I was debating even taking it home tonight because we can put that on the lift the boat up and pull the trailer outside and blast it and paint it.
You could just push the trailer right off the boat off the trailer out there in the yard.
I'm gonna have to get rulers.
I'm not sure he's had this boat all that long. He said he had current registration for it, but he didn't have it with him, didn't know where it was at. So I just saw that thing. I don't know where it's at. But you know what?
Yeah,
1997. That's what I said. The sticker says 97.
I'm not sure he's had this boat very long.
and this is it's a 95 boat. Very low hours. The boat did that have a date on it, Elmer? Well, he has 95 on the when he listed it. Said it's a 95.
That's what it is. 495.
This thing was only in the water for 2 years.
Built in April 95.
I freaking love it, man. What do you think? Is it cool? Is it cool? Is it cool? Oh, I'm happy. I'll probably be doing some videos on switcheroos. I'm gonna put my console in here and put my my 30 horse Johnson in here for now. But man, I'm gonna be building a live well over here. You know I catch big fish, man. I gotta have a live well, a big one. We're gonna be doing all kinds of mods. Oh, I can't wait to get this on the water. I'm so excited. Thanks for checking out my new boat. I'm gonna see you next time.